So let's start with the curler. So to curl the lash, you want to start in the very center, apply pressure, and then release the pressure and walk the curler out. So we're going to do that right now with Sue. Look down for me. I'm going to apply the curler to the center of her eye, apply pressure to curl the lash, and then you release the pressure and walk the curler out. You can apply pressure a second time if you need to, and you can repeat the process as many times as you want. Just be mindful not to pull or tug on the lashes. This curler is specifically designed to be safer for use because it has a red strip as opposed to dark color strip. You can see the lashes as they're going through it. It's specifically designed so that you can capture each lash and be really safe while you're applying the curler to the lids. It also has a wider opening to fit all eye shapes. You can work in sections. I like to start in the middle and then do the outer corner. I'll do the outer corner again on this side. This lash curler is something I use every single day on myself, and I get the most compliment on my lashes because they stay really curled all day long. And they look really dramatic even though they're very, very subtle. So I just did it a few times to add some extra curl. So curling your lashes is only the first part of this process. You definitely want a really incredible mascara to make those lash hairs look a little more full, a little bit longer.